नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण स्टँडर्ड 9th मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट 1 2020 लेसन सेकंड रियल नंबर्स प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.3 यामध्ये फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड एक्झाम्पल आपण ऑलरेडी सॉल्व केलेला आहे. आज आपण तिसरा एक्झाम्पल बघतोय. क्लासिफाय द गिवन पेअर ऑफ सर्ट्स इनटू लाइक सर्ट्स अँड अनलाइक सर्ट्स. लाइक सर्ट्स आणि अनलाइक सर्ट म्हणजे काय? तर लिसन केअरफुली. दिस सिम्बॉल इज कॉल्ड रॅडिकल. नंबर इनसाइड द radical is called radical. If radicands are equal, after simplifying, then we can say these two surds are like surds. So solution, we have to check whether the given we can simplify 52 further. This is prime number, we cannot simplify further. So therefore root 52, it is divisible by, its order is 2. Order should be same and radicands are equal, then the surds are like surds. Now check whether 52 it is divisible by 4. 4 into 30. Is it clear now? 13 4s are 52. So taking square root of 4, that is 2 root 30. This is 1 and second is given to us 5 root 30. This is 2. From 1 and 2, what we get? Radicands are equal. Therefore surds are like surds. Is it clear now? Radicand root 13, radicand root 13. Not outside factor. हा फॅक्टर डिफरंट असू शकतो. ऑर्डर 2 याची स्क्वेअर रूट आहे, स्क्वेअर रूट आहे. इट मीन्स ऑर्डर शुड बी इक्वल अँड radicand शुड बी इक्वल. देन वी कॅन से surds are like surds. Now second example, take out the textbook. 68 first one and second surd is 5 root 3. Solution, we can simplify further. Check. How to check? Is it is this square root, if it is the factor of perfect square, it means 1 4 9 16 25. If it is divisible, then we can simplify further. This is divisible by 4. 17 4s are 68. So we can write 68 is equal to 4 into 17. You know the table very well. Taking square root of 4, that is 270. This is equation 1. First one we have simplified. Second is given to us 5 root 3. From 1 and 2, radicand 17 and here radicand 3. Radicands are not equal. Therefore surds are unlike surds. Is it clear now? Now third one, I am taking another paper for that. दूसरा एक पेज घेतो. Third example from the same exercise practice set 2.3 3 मध्ये example third from the 3 classify. What is that? 4 root 18, 4 under root 18 and 7 root 2. Can you see properly? दिसते बरोबर? पेपर कधी कधी ब्राइटनेस येतो आणि मग फेंट दिसायला लागतो. नाउ सी हियर सोल्यूशन. We can further simplify this one. 9 2 is 18 and 9 is just perfect square. So 4 root 18 is equal to 4 under root 9 into 2. 9 2 is 18. This one is the perfect square, so we can take out 4 into square root of 9 is 3 into root 2. That is equal to, what is that? 4 3s are 12 root 2. This is the equation first, and second is given to us 7 root 2. Radicands are equal, their order is also 2 equal. This is equation 2 from 1 and 2. Radicands and order also. Therefore, what we can write? Surds are like root 2 root 2. Example 4th. Check the example in the textbook. पुस्तकामध्ये example check करा. 19 root 12 first surds. Second दिलाय 6 root 3. All examples are having order 3. Square root म्हणजे order 2 चे आहेत, equal चे आहेत. Solution check here. We can further simplify. याला करू शकतो आपण. 19 root 12, 4 3s are 12. 19 under root 4 into 3. This one is perfect square. Is equal to 19 into 2 root 3. Square root of 4, that is 2, is equal to 19 to the 38 root 3. Equation first and second is given to us 6 root 3 is equal to what? 6 root 3. This is second equation. No further simplified. From 1 and 2, surds are like surds. Is it clear now? Now example 5th one. What is that? 5 root 22 first surd and second one 7 under root 33. Check the example carefully. Solution. Further simplified we 22 2 into 11 and 2 into 13. But here 22 and 13 we cannot take out the factors outside the surds radicand. Not a single factor. Here is 3 and 11. we cannot take the square root of 11 or 2. Both are not perfect square. So terms will be as it is. In the example 4, what we can write? Which one? Fifth example. See here what is given, that fifth one, 5 root 22, 7 root 33. ऑर्डर इक्वल है, but radicands are different. Radicands not equal. Therefore, surds are unlike surds. One more example from this we are going to solve here. What is that? Sixth example. Example 6. Check the example in the textbook. What is given? That 5 root 5 and second 75, root 75. Order is equal, root 2 root 2. Solution 5 root 5 is equal to 5 root 5. No changes here. Root 75 is equal to 25 5s are 25 3s are. Is it clear now? 25 3s are. So is equal to, what will happen? 5 root 3. Radicand is here 5, here is 3. So radicands are different. Not equal. Therefore surds are unlike surds. Not necessary to solve, but how we can calculate the answer, it is very important. Is it clear now? Now we are going to solve next example. It means 2. See here, simplify the following surds. Simplify it means we have to check whether the factor is, we can all the, in the example 4, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, all are in the square root. So we have to check, is there any perfect number factor of these given surds. Check here. Solution, first one, simplify 27 9 3s are. Is it clear now? So you can write 9 into 3, perfect square this one, so you can take out 3 outside, 3 root 3. This is the simplest form. Is it clear now? You have to write एका खाली एक लिया, मी पुढे पुढे लिहितोय. Now see here, second example. What is that? Under root 50. Simplify. We are simplifying the given surds. What we are doing here, काय करतोय ते लक्षात घ्या. Simplify करायचं म्हणजे is there any factor of nth power? So 25 into 2 is equal to, what is that? 5 root 2. Simplified root 50, it means 5 root 2. If 25, square this and put inside, you will get 25 into 2. 25 into 2 is equal to 50. आपल्याला उलट असं पण करावं लागणार आहे. Third one, third example, See in the textbook what is given that 250 under root 250 under root 250. What is the factor of this? 25 into 10. We cannot find out the factor of 10. Perfect 10 is not perfect square. 25 into 10. There are many factors. We have to check out of these two if there is any perfect square, because order is 2. 5 square you can write here. So is equal to 5 root 10. Third one. Now example fourth. What is fourth example? 112 under root 112. Example 112. We have to find out the factor of this. 16 into 7 जा पाड़े पाठ पाहिजे. सोहम साथी बार उधर से एक परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर पाहिजे किंवा तुम्हाला वेळ लागू शकतो. 6 into 7 is equal to square root of 16, that is 4 root 7. This is the simplest form. Now see here. Which one? Fifth example. What is that? Fifth example 168. This shirt 168 divisible by 4, not any other numbers. There are many factors, but we want दोन पैकी एक perfect square पाहिजे. 4 4 जा 16, 4 2 जा. It means 4 into 42. 4 2 जा 8, 4 4 जा 16. This is not perfect square. Further, we can factorize this one, but we will not get perfect square. So 7 6 are 7 and 6 not perfect square. So 2 root 42. This one is the answer of the fifth simplest form. 6 1. Is there 6 1? No, there are only 5 examples. We have solved this one. Try to solve. It is better to understand. समजून घ्या नीट काय असतं. हा लेसन पुढे जरी नसला परंतु याच्यामधले कॅल्क्युलेशन्स आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. इज इट क्लिअर नाउ? These सर्ट्स आर नॉट इन द 10th स्टँडर्ड राईट नाउ. 10वी मध्ये सर्ट्स नाही आहे, पण तुम्हाला हे कॅल्क्युलेशन कसं करायचं त्यासाठी व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. घरीच राहा, सुरक्षित राहा आणि व्हिडिओ बघत राहा. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.